So you want to buy a house. That is awesome. Home ownership is a wonderful thing. The home buying process is a long process that you need a guide with you every step of the way to help you. And that's where I come in. I'm a realtor. My name's Evan Deal and I'm with eXp Realty. And I'm going to walk you through step by step what the home buying journey looks like. So it starts out, you really want to start honestly on the finance side of things with your pre-approval, because the pre-approval sets the stage for everything that's to come. It lets you know how much budget you'll have, what your purchasing power is going to be for your home. So before you ever start looking at homes, getting that financial picture in place is going to be the best first step. And then from there, you're going to work with an agent to start looking at homes. You're going to tap into a home search, make a list of places that might be a good fit for you, identify that perfect home. And then once you identify that, to tour those homes with a purpose, see how it's a good fit for you. And when you find the right one, you put in an offer. When that offer gets accepted, you go under contract with the seller, and you've basically agreed to purchase the house from them. They've agreed to sell the house to you. And from there, you go into the under contract phase, which includes inspections. You're making sure everything's good with the house on your end and getting any minor repairs done that need to be done, as well as appraisal, where the bank is making sure that everything looks good from their end, that the asset that they are lending you money for is going to be worth what the purchase price is. And then from there, you go into closing when the transfer of property happens. That's basically the whole process in a nutshell. And it can be twisty and turny along the way, but it's very important to set your expectations from the start that it is going to be a process and you need a good partner in place. So your realtor is there to be your partner throughout the whole thing, to be your Sherpa guiding you up the mountain, and they will help make it easy and simple in each step of the way. Instead of making it this big gargantuan process, it's making it small bite-sized chunks that you get through each of these checkpoints on your way to the finish line. So that's basically what buying a house looks like. And if you're curious about maybe purchasing a home soon, just let me know.